In this video, we're going to review how to replace your UV bulb. You're supposed to be doing this once a year. So whenever you bought the system, look it up, and a year from that is when you should be replacing your UV bulb. This is your UV sanitizer right here, and this is where we're going to replace the bulb. For Xtreme customers and the Xflow customers, the UV bulb is 18 watts. If you have any other type of filtration system from RevX Wellness, you need to purchase a different bulb. The first step when you do any maintenance on your RevX cold plunge system is to turn off the power to the entire system. Once you turn the power off to everything, the pump, the chiller, the UV, the ozone, now you're ready to do maintenance. In order to replace the UV bulb, we will need to first remove the filter housing. Next, we're going to close the valves. We want to close this valve in here inside the filtration system and on the top of the tub. Okay, close the two valves. Next, we're going to use our tool and remove the filter housing. Especially if you're inside, have like a little bucket here because some water will come out, but not a lot of water, which is great. Let's put this aside. Next, you want to open up this insulation just a little bit right here. You want to unscrew this. So just counterclockwise, unscrew this nut right here. Okay, and this will come out. So this is your UV bulb. So to replace it, there's a little safety clip here. This clip is only needed for shipping purposes. So you do not need to put this clip back in right here. You don't need to put this back in. Remove your bulb. You will reuse this top piece. So undo this. Now this goes away. Take out your new bulb. Put that piece you just removed on top, and then you can connect it back in. It doesn't matter if it goes this way or that way. It will work both ways. So put that back in. If you want to test the bulb before you put it back in, there's a little button here that you can do to do that. It's right here. It's right there. This is our little switch. Okay, right there. So to turn this on, make sure that only the UV bulb is on into your power strip. Turn it on. And flip that switch, turn it on, and you will see the UV bulb turning on. Okay, now you are ready to put it back in. Now make sure that the O-ring is here. If this O-ring came out, make sure to put it back in. This O-ring is very important to avoid any leaks. Slide your bulb back in and just screw this back on. Make sure not to cross thread. Just make sure to on. Okay, put your insulation back in, and that completes the UV bulb. So next you want to put your filter back on. If you have any leaks, just make sure to wipe it down. Okay. So now we're ready to open up our valves. Make sure they're open and connect the pump, and let's turn on the pump. Okay. Make sure you have really good strong flow, and this concludes on how to replace your UV bulb. Again, make sure to do this once a year.